Okay, got one of the ends set up in the forge on my smaller lathe. This is to bore out 35mm for the firebox. You can see that point there has been centered up with my center finder, and I've got it running pretty true. I was a bit worried about crushing the copper, but it seems to be okay. I've managed to do one, so I'll bore this one out shortly. Now I'm using a sharp insert, very sharp, shiny insert. These are for cutting aluminium, plastic and copper. Very good for doing this kind of work. I'm just going to center drill it, then we'll begin to bore it out. Come over here and show you the one I did. So it looks pretty good, and the firebox fits nicely. Okay, referring to the textbook. Now, we need 3 stays in the end plates, and I have 3mm phosphor bronze rod. I've managed to put on a 5BA thread, which is very nice. I'm quite happy to use 5BA. Thread straight on, full peak on the thread as well. Now going back to the book, I'm going to make a capped bush, which will be drilled and then silver soldered into each hole, which I'll drill. Then that'll be tapped 5BA to receive the thread, and on the other end be drilled and reamed 3mm. Then on the outside a capped nut, and when I come to braze the end plates into the boiler, I will assemble these in and we'll braze around the captive nut to seal him in. Okay, that's the first bush. Screws on nicely. It's made of phosphor bronze as well, so all the parts of the boiler will be phosphor bronze and copper. It's very simple. So now we'll just drill the holes to accept that. Then it'll be brazed in. And there we have it. Okay, here's the 3 finished bushes for the threaded stays. Come out quite nicely. All now is to clean up and braze them in.